it's Yasmin Bateman and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a winter clothing try-on haul. Everything in this video is from ZAFUL. And if you don't know what ZAFUL is, basically it's just this international online store where everything is like very inexpensive. They have like really cute stuff, like trendy clothing for like super cheap, and it's actually like not really bad quality. So I'm here to like show you everything that I got from them and to like really shock you. I'm like shook by all of this stuff and I've been wearing it for months. ZAFUL did send me all the clothes in this video, but I literally made sure I've had these clothes for months, you guys, and I wanted to make sure that like everything was super good material and like see how often I would actually wear these items before I would like make a haul and actually review them for you guys. They let me pick out a bunch of things on their website and the things that I got are legitimately the cutest things ever. You would think that I actually spent hundreds of dollars. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into this, okay? So the first thing that I got is something that you guys have been asking me about so much all over my Instagram, all over YouTube, because I wear it that much and I just love it so much. So, oh my gosh, a hooded Sherpa jacket, and oh my god, you guys, I brought this with me all the way to New York and I wore it every single day. It is the warmest jacket. It's like Sherpa on the inside too. It's so thick and it's like a nice, like, it's not like a brown, it's more like an orange on the inside, which I thought was like really cute and different, and you can like reverse it too. This one was literally only $25. It has pockets too, you guys. Okay, so this next jacket, oh my god, I have been wearing this so much. I think I've been wearing this more than that one. The I Am Gia jacket, except not I Am Gia, except like 10 times cheaper and like literally the same. Sherpa on the outside, this type of material on the inside, but still ridiculously warm. And listen, it was literally $20. $20 freaking dollars for this jacket. I'm sorry, but like you need to get this right now, or if you're not gonna get it as a gift, because every girl wants one of those and I love it so much. Or that one and my beige one that I already have like every single day and I just love it. Okay, moving on to some tops. This top I got, it's like a distressed crop sweater. Distressed all over. I don't know, it's really cute. I've never had like a distressed item before, and so I like thought this would be different. I just really like it. It's cute, it's thin. This sweater was only $15.99. Here's a picture of me wearing it because I also got a lot of questions about that sweater, so yeah, that's where I got it from. Okay, this sweater is like one of my ultimate faves. I just think it's so cute. So basically it's a crop sweater, but it's like slouchy, it's like off the shoulder, and it just has these like huge, like amazing arms, just beautiful, and I just love this sweater. It's so thick and just like so, like it's like such great material. This sweater was $24.49 and that's such a good deal for like the type of material it is, and just it's just such a great sweater. Here's a picture of me wearing it. I feel like it's just better to show you guys like actual pictures of me styling it than like just me trying it on. Two more tops. I actually wore both of these whenever I was in New York City because they're just so freaking cute and literally, oh my god, I just love them so much. So this is the cutest item ever. It's like a snakeskin bodysuit and it's just like so perfect. Like it's the softest material ever, thin, but it also like is insulated, like it keeps you warm, and it like snaps at the bottom, which is great if you need to pee all the time like me. I don't know, snakeskin is like super in right now and I just really like it. I think it's like my all-time favorite item besides like the jackets. And you guys, this was literally only $14.99. Come on. Here's one that looks like it from Urban Outfitters, except the Urban Outfitters one is like more sheer and like obviously 2 times the price. I love Urban Outfitters, the sweaters from Urban Outfitters right now, and yes, I will pay full prices, but like when you can find good deals of stuff that like look alike, you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do, girl. So this is another top that I got and I just really like this. It's very simple and just a good basic to have, but I really like the rib material and I really like the whole like square thing. It's super cute and super flattering. And I also wore this top in New York. Here's a picture of me wearing it. And I just really like this. It's so cute and so fun. Good to have some basics. And I have 2 more items for you guys. So I have this, like, it's like a long sleeve top, red. It has like white and black stripes on it. Really like it and it's so cute and just a good layering piece, and I love the colors of this. And then for my last item, I really love this. It's so freaking cute. So it's just this like beautiful blue, white, and red sweatshirt. I'm just a sweatshirt type of gal, so I like you already know I'm always wearing this. It is so cute. It's great material. It's stretchy. It's not too thick, not too thin. $28.49, and I just love this jacket. It's just so cute. You should get it because it's really cute. I really like these colors for like this season. All right, so that's all for the haul. Alright, so that's all for the haul. Oh my god, that sounds really weird. That's everything that I got from ZAFUL. I really like just love everything that I got from them, and this is like not me being a sponsored little robot. This is me being like like serious. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I've actually worn these items. This is like serious. Like, I'm being honest with you. This is not me trying to like promote anything that I don't actually like or wear all the time. I'm gonna put their link in the description, and I'm gonna put a link to every single one of these items in the description as well, so you guys can go check them out and cop some if you want. If you don't want to, that's cool too. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to stick around a little bit more often, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Wait, also, if you guys buy any of these items, then please let me know in the comments below, or like tag me in your Instagram pictures, because I would love to see you style them, sweeties.
That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell.